Hi, this is Chris from Total Parts Plus, 29 Meadow Ave, Coopers Plains. Our phone number is 0738 481382, and today we have a 2009 Dodge Caliber SX, stock reference number 4249. This shape runs from the 8th month 2006 through to the 12th month 2012. It has a 2 litre 4-cylinder petrol engine backed by a 6-speed automatic front-wheel drive transmission. 2 litre 4-cylinder petrol engine. This vehicle has sustained damage on the right-hand front and right-hand side. The bonnet appears to have no damage. It's fitted with factory 17-inch steel rims. Left front has a good tyre. Have the left power door mirror. Both left-hand doors appear to have no damage. Left rear steel rim, 17-inch, good tyre. We have the left tail light. It's got a tidy rear bumper cover. Tailgate appears to have no damage. Right-hand tail light. Right rear 17-inch steel rim with a good tyre. Right front door appears to have no damage. And a right front 17-inch steel rim with a good tyre. We have the driver's side door trim, power window master switch. This vehicle is fitted with grey cloth interior. It's got a grey centre console, automatic type, automatic gear shifter, standard heating controls, single stack CD player, interior mirror, courtesy lamp, left hand sun visor, right hand sun visor, and the instrument cluster. I'm Chris from Total Parts Plus, and I'd like to thank you for watching this video.